year, we are grateful to see all of you here. And there are more than 35 teams with more than 200 participants today to join our event. I believe that today will be a fruitful day with a lot of innovative ideas.
YPEC has truly a dynamic platform that has brought together prospective and young engineers from various segments. It has provided them with the opportunity to showcase their engineering projects, share their innovative ideas, and inspire the world with their creativity. With the theme of digitalization, the YPEC 2023 aimed to highlight the beauty of digital changes and potential impact of our young generation.
It is also wonderful to see every one of you physically again after the pandemic, and being the flagship event of our young members section, the YPEC this year has come with also a special meaning. It's also coincided with our IET Hong Kong 35th anniversary, and we'll continue our mission to inspire, inform, and influence the global engineering community in creating a better world. I want to express my gratitude to all the judges for their participation and invaluable advice to the project team. I also extend my appreciation to the sponsors and supporting organizations whose contribution is very important to make this event a success. Lastly, I want to acknowledge and thank our young member sections for organizing this excellent platform and events. And I wish they can keep the momentum and strive for the future excellence.